Today we are discussing about cross policy error. Cross policy error means when we integrate front end to the back end technology. So that time some error found. That error name is cross policy error. Cross origin policy error does not integrate. So that type of the exception we found. So how to resolve it? We can go for the practical so you better understand. So first I'm going to the ID and launching our application, and also I'm going to simultaneously I'm going to the front end side. So I have created CRUD operation. Okay, ng sir hyphen o. Okay, this is our Angular application. So Angular will be start, book list, title, author, description, and action. So see, I have created some CRUD operation. First thing, this is a model class. Model class have a ID, number, title, author, and description. Okay. Then I have created book list one component, and book list have get all method. And first I need to create book service. Book service when we integrate with backend, and we integrate with HTTP call, HTTP request and response handling. That time we use observable and HTTP client. So this is the book service, and this is a base URL from coming from the backend. So I will executing. I will show you. And this is a get all method, observable, and return type is book array. And here is a get method, and this is the data coming from the base URL. Second, I want to find by ID. So I am here, mention number, ID number, observable, book return type, HTTP get, this dot base URL, and ID dollar curly bracket inside. Then post call, we use book instance because we want to save the data. Observable, book is http dot post book, and we can save the data in the database, right? So when we hitting this URL, it will be save your data in the database, right? We will show again update URL, delete book, update book, or entire thing I have rendering here. Then book list I will need to create book array. Then I am creating the load book, and this book service get all books inside method, and we need to subscribe, and we need to return data book object assigned to the data, and data will be returned. Okay, so if showing error, So we can error return book and error. Okay, and then deleting book. This functionality we are following. Okay, so here HTML page book list. We create a table action td for late book of book uh, book author book description button click delete book id delete. Okay, so here and also we need to integrate app.html. We need to add instead of that component app book list we can rendering here, right? And you start your application and executing. Okay, so I want to then I'm checking fail to load resource net error connection refuse. Okay, so see here fail to load. I'm copying when error occur. You need to understand fail to load resource net error connection refuse. Okay, now X, yeah, first error is this one, second error this one. Okay, this is the HTTP fail to load resource and refuse. I'm talking about fail to load resource. Okay, so see fail to load resource. I'm clicking on it. HTTP net error connection refuse. What kind of the connection? So see book list component.ts when you're executing. So we will not getting the data HTTP localhost 8080 API and book. So that is the server error. So how to check? Because with you should know where is data is coming in book, right? Okay. See book have no any data, right? See refer policy stick origin when cross origin, right? Okay. So that time we need to start our server. Okay. Start our server. Okay. So we I have created one controller CRUD operation. I have created, then I have one entity created, ID, title, author, description. So same field should be used in front end side. And book controller have API book, this method, right? API book. So where is used API book in your book service, right? See HTTP localhost 8080 API book, right? That API we are using, and now we are executing the your application. Okay, run CRUD application. Okay, see Tomcat port 8080 with context path, right? Now we are hitting the API. See, first error is access to HTTP request at this URL from origin because that's from origin. This is the origin, right? HTTP local. When we hitting that API, so it coming here, right? So it has been blocked by CORS policy. No access control allow origin. Header is present on the requested resource. So we will not indicate backend and frontend integration. So that is the main thing we need to understand and how to resolve it. Okay. So that that problem will occur whenever you should go and use you handle by the backend. Okay. You can also front end side, but you should first handle by the backend. You only simple write cross origin HTTP localhost colon s 4200 in controller level. Controller level you should use cross origin HTTP and so error is gone, right? When you hitting the API, the error is gone. I'm, Error is gone. When we hit, there are three ways we can use. First thing, this one, then comment dot it. Second one is the you can use cross policy. This one we can use. We can create the CORS config. You can use this one. You can allow method, get, post, put, delete, patch, allow, and add mapping, all, right? This is a simple all, right? And I'm executing same, right? Executing properly. Okay. Now I'm using Postman. Postman, we can check your HTTP request and response. Now here my API, localhost API book, and you can see like raw JSON, and this is sending. Right? When we send, you can check here what is the status, success, failure, 200 is success, right? And I'm refreshing it. See, Java Vikash hello. Okay, this functionality work, right? Second one is second. Yeah, I'm writing here for a shoe. Shoe. Yeah, okay. Then I'm hitting also. Two. Okay. When we're hitting, I'm refreshing the page. See, my backend and front end integrate right way, right? And I'm deleting also. So, are you want to delete this? I can delete also. So, this kind of the scenario when we exception is occur, how to resolve it? So many things. First thing, this one, okay, this one also, and then control level we can handle here. And third one is also we can go to the your browser. See, here you can go to the your browser, right click, property, and here this is a tag, right? Chrome exe. Then we need to add some code here, so we can find your correct answer. Okay, so 1 minute. I am handling confirmation on reactive sent reactive. Okay. Okay. So we should go and copy. We can this copy this disable web security something something, this one, and we can paste there. Disable hyphen web hyphen security hyphen user data directive equal to quotation ctm chrome session. So we can use and we can resolve the problem of that. Okay, but you can best way you can use, you can create this class, we can use it. Okay, so thank you watching this video. Please subscribe the video. We can check in some more error in the our application. Okay, thank you watching this video.